स्टार्ट। आज हम पार्ट 2 स्टार्ट करेंगे। एज वी थिंक, एज वी थिंक, एज वी डू नॉट, एज वी डू नॉट थिंक, एज वी डू नॉट थिंक, एज वी हैव, एज वी हैव, एज वी शैल, एज वी डू, as we do, acres of land, acres of land, as has been the case with you, इसको यहाँ पे लिखेंगे as has been the case with you, as has been the case with you। ठीक है, अब दैट का मतलब कन्फ्यूजन होगा तो दैट के लिए हम इसको डार्क करेंगे। ठीक है, at a glance, at a glance, at a glance। ठीक है, approximately। ठीक है, आगे additional in additional, ये additional, ये additional order ऐसे कर देंगे, additional order, additional cost, additional cost, additional information, additional information, additional paper, additional paper। ठीक, जो अच्छा लगे लिख रहे हैं। any day, any day of the week, any day of the week। एक लफ्ज़ बनता है नॉट विद स्टैंडिंग, उसको हम ऐसे लिखेंगे सेंटर से या सेंटर से थोड़ा सा नीचे। ये डी बनाएंगे एनी डे ऑफ द वीक। ठीक है, वो बनेगा एन और टी नॉट विद स्टैंडिंग के लिए। एनी डे ऑफ द मंथ, एनी डे ऑफ द मंथ, और मंथ के लिए हम इसको इथ सर्कल के साथ कट कर देंगे। एनी टाइम ऑफ द मंथ, एनी टाइम ऑफ द मंथ, any time of the year, any time of the year। ठीक है, at any period of time, at any period of time, at any period of time। ठीक है, at any periods of time, at any periods of time, at any periods of time। and he said। ठीक है, and he gave, and he gave। ठीक है, do you say, do you say, as I say, as I say। and he gave, and he gave। ठीक है, did you say, did you say, what did you say, ये what did you say, what did you say। as follows, as follows, as follows। ठीक है, is as follows, is as follows। ठीक है, reads the follows, reads the follows। ठीक है, reads the follows। at the time of the year, at the time of the year, at the time of the year, at the time of the year। at this time of the year। ठीक है, at this session, at this session of the year। absolutely इसे भी लिखते हैं और इसको ऐसे भी लिखते हैं absolutely। ठीक है, absolutely not, absolutely एन हुक बना दें, absolutely not, absolutely sure, absolutely sure। ठीक है, absolutely clear। ठीक है, absolutely positive, absolutely p के साथ इंटरसेक्ट कर दें, absolutely certain। ठीक है, anybody else somebody, ठीक है, somebody else, nobody else, everybody, ठीक है, everybody else, as we have said, as we have said, as we have mentioned, as we have mentioned. Okay,